Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We will continue our MATLAB series, and today, we will start with the command, and finally move on to our first question. We will use all of the commands we have learned up till now, so if you haven't watched our previous videos, you can find the link in description. So, without further ado, let's start. The command we will learn today is the remainder command. We just have to write our EM and write the value between the brackets. The remainder command is just how, while we perform division, there is a remainder left. For example, if we divide 3 by 2, then 2 multiplied to 1 is 2. Then if we subtract 2 from 3, the remainder that will be left is 1. So remainder command works on the same principles, as you can see here in the examples. Moving on to our question, which says when x equals to pi divided by 5, prove that right-hand side equals to left-hand side, where our left-hand side is cos square x divided by 2 and right-hand side is tan x plus sine x upon 2 tan x. Now, let's start making our program. We will write all of the things in the editor window is starting with CLC and clear all, so that any previous values that may have been present in MATLAB's working space, they get cleared. First, we will write the value of x, which is provided to us in the question, pi by 5. And now, let's write our left-hand side. We will start with parentheses, then we will write cos. Again parentheses x divided by 2, and close the parentheses, and in the end use caret to write power, which is square. Now, we will write our right-hand side, which is parentheses tan x plus sine x close parentheses divided by parentheses 2 multiplied by tan x parentheses. The reason for using this much parentheses is because of MATLAB's order of precedence. We have made a dedicated video on this topic. You can find the playlist link in description, or a video card will also appear at the top right corner. Now that we have wrote both our left-hand side and right-hand side, let's run the program. As you can see that both answers are same, which means that left-hand side equals to right-hand side. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and stay tuned for more upcoming content.